Hi, welcome. Simon here and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be replacing the laptop screen on a Lenovo Legion. If you can see that the bottom line here, the bottom here has a pixelated lines that run across and it's disordered color. It looks kind of greenish, bluish thing. So the only way to fix it is to replace the whole screen. You cannot just it's not the cable or the settings that causing the problem. It's definitely the LCD screen. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn off the computer. While the computer is shutting down, you want to get yourself a metal prying tool. You want to go underneath that bezel. And the bezel, it is what we call the double-sided tape, like some kind of adhesive is taped onto the bezel. So you might want to gently cut that adhesive tape while you're applying pressure to pry it open. Alright, once you have removed the bezel, you can see the entire laptop screen. And there is no screw that holds down the laptop screen. What it does is it has this little tape. And this tape here, you need to kind of pull and remove it. So we're pulling the tape. Okay, so it is about the length of the screen, and then as you pull, the thing stretch, and it can stretch pretty long. And this tape cannot be reused. You would have to replace it. So just so you know that you cannot reuse the tape. Both sides, one on the left and one on the right. Because I already removed the other side of it, so on this side I want to be holding down the laptop screen while removing the tape, because if you just keep pulling the tape, and then the laptop screen might just comes with it and fly towards your body, and that way you might actually break that piece of that cable. So you try to prevent not breaking up the cable. Okay, once you have removed the two adhesive tape that pulls down the thing, then you can flip the screen towards your body. So flip it down. You're gonna have this little tape that is holding down the connector. You're gonna go underneath, peel that tape backwards, peel it to the back here, while leaving the tape on, because the tape here is to support and hold the connector. So you do not want the connector to fall off. So you want to save the tape and reuse it again. Now at this point here, the best thing is not to have any metal touching the LCD screen because the battery is still connected to the laptop. And if you use any metal, it might short and burn out that computer. So just slide it out, that cable away from your body. So slide it to that direction. And I like to just leave it like that. Okay, so here's the screen. If you're not sure where to find the replacement screen, take a look at the model here. The model is B156HAN02.0. Okay, so that is the model. And of course, I will, like I always do, is to leave the link down in the description below, where I'll direct you to either Amazon or eBay, where you can find the replacement screen directly from them. Okay, I'll have the tools and the replacement screen link down in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out. So I might have a compatible replacement screen. I'm not sure if this one will work, but let me go ahead and try it out here. I might not have the correct screen. This is a different screen, but this says compatible. We'll see if that works. Let's go ahead and slide the connector back in here. So you want to slide it all the way in, making sure that the connector is kind of have a good tug and snuggle all the way to the connector. You then can flip the tape to retape it again. I would just kind of do a quick test here. This might not be the right screen, but to just power up and see. Well, it does look like it's powering on. I might have a display. I just wanted to show it to you that they might not have any more bottom lines here, the greenish pixelated lines. I will still get the correct screen, but this says this is a compatible. I just want to test it out for now. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be the right screen. I'm getting this fuzzy blinking screen that goes on and off, on and off. Alright, so I'll be changing out to the correct screen. I'm just going to power off the computer, pressing holding down the button. I do not have the screen in stock, like I said, because I was referring to the model that I need to check for. This is different model, but I just wanted to get that serial number. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the connector. This screen will not work, so I'm going to put the screen on the side. And again, the correct screen would be this one here. The refresh rate probably is different, therefore I'm getting this flashing thing. So again, is B156 HAN02.0. Okay, so that is the correct screen. Now I do not have the screen, therefore I'm not able to show you the finished product, but I'll walk you through what are the things that you might want to buy ahead of time. You do need to get this red adhesive double-sided tape. So this tape is to replace the one that we peeled it off earlier, this black tape here. Okay, so you want to retape the screen back together. That's your main goal to do it. You can use 3mm, and then what you want to do is you want to tape it down onto the bracket here on the black on the side here. This is where you're going to tape it down, right? So have a full length of it from top to bottom, and making sure that you have extra that little slack coming down here at the bottom, so that in future, if the next guy who replace the screen, they know where the tab is, the extra slack where you can pull for the next person. Okay, if you feel 3mm is too small, you can go with the 5mm. Actually, I do recommend using the 5mm. It's a lot thicker, meaning that the width of the tape is slightly thicker compared to the 3mm. So again, apologize get the 5 instead of the 3. All right, once you have it, tape it down and have the bezel to go back on top, and that should be your full process, replacing the whole screen. And yeah, so if you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button for me. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to show appreciation of my video that helped you, you can try using YouTube super thanks. Super thanks allow you to kind of show appreciation and donate to the channel and help me to grow this together. All right, so I appreciate in advance for you giving the super thanks. And again, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Bye now.